Welcome everyone. Today we are making the chicken pakodi or pakora. So I have already soaked this chicken in 30 minutes in salt water. Now we are going to marinate it. First add chili powder. If you want spicy, add it more. Next coriander powder. Next garam masala, only a little, not much. And then we are going to add some chicken masala, and a little bit of ginger garlic paste. It's good. And if you want, you can add some cumin seeds. Then we are going to add some salt, oil, and we are going to add besan or the chickpea flour. Now we are going to add corn flour, beaten egg white, and a little bit of red color. Now we are going to mix it well and leave it for 30 minutes. Now leave this one for 30 minutes aside. So the oil is very hot right now. So now we are going to add piece by piece into the oil, and don't drop it from the height. The oil gets spilled all over here, and make sure your hand is very near to the oil while dropping those pieces. Drop them gently and slowly into the oil. And ta-da! After 20 minutes of deep frying, chicken pakora is ready.